Okay, here we have rosemary. Have you seen the quantity I am putting there? So this is cinnamon, this is turmeric, the yellow one, this is cloves, this is cayenne pepper, this is black pepper, this is cinnamon, and this is moringa. I love moringa a lot, so I put a lot. So after combining, have you seen what I have put here now? Look at it here. You combine all this, then you add apple cider vinegar. Then you put hot water better so that it can dissolve properly. After combining all this, what are you trying to handle? Artery blockages, inflammation of the body, lowers blood pressure, very good for diabetic patients. When you take this first thing in the morning, the way it will cleanse your system, the way it will regenerate you for the day, it gives strength. It contains antioxidants, antimicrobial, antifungi. It has a lot of rich, vitamins in it. But when you combine all this, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then you are treating the kidneys, liver, belly fat, and all inflammation pains of the body. So this is very, very good. You take it in an empty stomach. First thing in the morning, you drink your warm water, keeps you away from the hospital. The next thing is this combo I have just made. Very easy to take it. Then if you want, after eating, also you can take it at night before you go to bed. Okay? So try this. Arthritis will run away. Try this. You will experience the way your stomach will start going in. Try this and you will start to feel the way it cleanses the kidneys. Yes, it revitalizes kidneys. It helps the kidney to stay strong and the liver. It cleanses our body generally. Okay, so please try it. I repeat, remember, this is cloves, this is turmeric, rosemary, cayenne pepper, there's cinnamon, moringa, and the black pepper. All right. Thank you, please, for joining me. Keep connecting to this platform and keep raising your thumb up if you like what I'm doing. Remain blessed. Thank you.